about efficiency.
All right, here we are. We're at Betty's house. Here's our furnace. It's an older York. She is looking to replace due to a cracked heat exchanger. 16 inches wide. Here's a 6x4x3 T. Here's part of the return we'll be replacing. We'll wrap it around here. Drain. As you can see, the little condensate issue. She did say the AC was working fine, so not 100% sure where all the water has come from. Here's our copper lines. Reaches around right to the outside of the home. Right there is our breaker panel. As you can see, on our gas, we're going to get rid of that copper and go back with galvanized also. Also install a new gas shutoff there.